The Voice of the People Party on Tuesday lodged an FIR against one person having a Facebook account by the name VPP Dent for posting vulgar statements against party president Ardent Miller Basayomoit in the Facebook group Kalimpong Ki Khun Kari. The VPP leaders handed over the FIR in the office of Superintendent of Police East Khasi Hills since SP Sylvester Nongtngar was not present. Speaking to reporters, VPP Media Cell member Dr. Rosivin Shangpliang said that people may have disagreement with the political leaders, but it is not acceptable to use vulgar remarks which will affect the party president and his family members.
Nakalian juga parti ngasimpia kan dikakam bagi sudai ban ai ka FIR namar boleh kajing thok nalong sebab palat bakalong kiktian ki bakal makor ki balapun thobia ya kalong riang jong i amdi tangkata kelah tak mat yong ru ya ka yeng kesem jong i ya ka konstitusi ya ka parti ba ya ka ri jong i por kowe teror kan ni layo ban ai team ta wala mi kendu ya ESP makidon ke duty nakatingwan jong i presiden juga di India ndeng layo pan ICT bakila receive through ICT bat ni kermen bakin le ya bulan kam pan wat ini gibreu bakin penstom ki ka kum ka ai